Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you to connect a gaming controller to your TV. Alright, so this is a gaming controller that I use for my Switch 2, but I like this one because it actually works on the Switch 2, works on the PC, and it works on the TVs as well. Alright, the key here though is to make sure that you have a cable such as this, and this cable gives us two sections. There's the USB-C section, which connects to the controller for charging, and it actually has a USB section here that's gonna go to the USB on the back of the TV. So guys, it's very simple. All you gotta do is go ahead and connect it on the back of the TV, and I'll be showing you that it actually works by playing a game. So forgive me, I have the camera hooked up to a tripod, so I'll have to do everything in one go. Alright, so we're gonna hook up the controller to the TV, then we're gonna use the controller. Alright, so there we go, it's hooked up, it's working. As you can see, it's moving. Check this out. So all I gotta do is go home. I already have a game. There you go. Alright, so as you can see, it's working. I'm able to control the game. Alright. So alright guys, so it does work. All you gotta do is hook it up as I've shown. Forgive me for the angles, as I was trying to basically show it while the camera is hooked up to the tripod. And that's how you hook up a controller to the TV to play games. It would be best if the TV were on a desk at eye level, or you get a longer USB-C to USB cable. You can get those online, I'm sure, and that will work even better at a distance for gaming. All right, so I'll link the controller, exact controller, in the description. Hope that was useful, guys. And as again, this is the TCL Google TV. Should work across all Google TVs or even other brands as well. So hope that was useful. See you in the next one. Bye.